Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have SONY WH-CH510 headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily use all the gestures. So the first one is pausing and pausing your music. To do so you just have to click this multifunctional button over here. As you can see, it works. The next one is increasing or decreasing your volume level. If you click minus and hold it, you will decrease the volume, and plus we will increase. As you can see, if I'm clicking this plus button, I'm increasing the volume, and if I'm clicking this minus button, I am decreasing the volume. The next one is skipping the song or going backwards. If I want to go to the next song, I have to hold the plus button. If I want to go to the previous, I have to hold the minus button. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.